Okay guys, so today we've got the functional isometric single leg stand. Now it's a bit of a unique one this because it aims to replicate some of the compressive forces that you feel within a loaded carry. Now obviously it's not going to be able to emulate the equivalent of a yoke or a farmer's walk or anything like that, but in terms of feeling that postural tension and the stiffness running throughout your entire body, it is actually a very effective exercise to give your body the stimulus of what compression actually feels like. So all you need to do with this is obviously have the strap in place. Now you're going to stand on it with one leg, and again particularly on this one more so than any of the others because there's going to be a high amount of force, you want to make sure that you're standing on it with your heel first, okay? And then from here what you're going to aim to do is get into slight triple flexion. So imagine being in a slight shallow split squat position, okay? From here you're going to aim to drive maximal force through this supporting leg. Now for some people you might actually have to wrap the strap around your hands as well just to get that little bit of flexion, which is absolutely fine. Again, from here, you're getting into that slight triple flexion position. So if I went to stand up here now, there is that slight degree of bend. And then all I'm going to do is take this leg off the ground, okay? Get my chest up nice and tall, and then essentially try and stand up as hard as I possibly can. Okay, and slowly relax.